I'm ready to start page 2 of the instruction book. I laid out all the parts that I needed, and I've already glued the reinforcement pieces onto the fuselage formers, so they're ready for gluing. I spent an hour or so test fitting all the parts so that I understand how they're supposed to go together. Okay, now that was a challenge. I've dry fitted all the pieces together. These diagonal longerons are really tricky to put in. I've triple checked my plans and I've lightly tacked a few of the pieces with glue. I'm ready to actually glue everything in position now. I messed this up. The plans show the right fuselage side along with the fuselage formers in position and glued, and that's what I did. Rookie mistake. When I eventually went to glue the left fuselage side, the formers didn't line up and I had to bend and crack a few of the formers. I ended up with a slightly warped fuselage. What I should have done is dry fitted both fuselage sides with the formers and stringers and used rubber bands to hold it all together while I glued the right side. The fuselage isn't perfectly straight, it's not horrible, it'll fly. The fuselage is pretty much finished. I've sanded, filled a few holes and dents with wood filler, and resanded it smooth. In the next episode, I'll put together the windshield and cowling area and begin assembling the main landing gear. If you enjoy watching me make mistakes while building the Cub, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons. Until next time, fly safe!